Emotional.
All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining, people. We're looking to have a good show. So let me just turn in this down a bit, you know. Yeah, so as you know, so Kevin Stewart, possible gonna get a start in this one, which I believe it's okay because now we're gonna actually have a CDM. We are going to actually have a CDM starting the game with. So guys, in the meantime, what I want you guys to do, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, as you know, and well, voila. Voila. Panama versus Jamaica. Kevin Stewart look to start in this one, and I believe it's going to be a good one to watch. Yes, I think it's going to be another game where Panama is going to have most of the possession because we're still yet to really fine-tune that possessional aspect of our football. And I will also give you guys my predicted starting lineup, what I think might happen. I can be wrong. I can definitely be wrong, but it's what I think might happen. So I won't say that this is the starting lineup, but definitely it's what I think Paul Hall is going to go with. So officially, Paul Hall said that on the interview via TVJ Sport that he's looking to integrate Kevin Stewart in this game, and so we'll expect to see him. But he wants to manage him, which means that we might see maybe 60, 70 minutes from Kevin Stewart. And we'll definitely see what all these talks are about with Kevin Stewart. Most people already know the type of player, the talent level of this player in particular, and what to expect from the player. But we will see. We will definitely see. So what I'm going to do, I am going to get into my predicted starting lineup. Let me bring it up, people. Give me a second. Give me a second. FNFM. Give me a second, people. I'm trying to get the thing up right now. The squad builder, yeah. Squad builder. All right, so I'm gonna go over to it right now. I think that. Come on, what is it? Why is this taking so long? Be patient with me, people. Okay, good. So we are here. We are here. Yes, people, we are here. As you can see, we are here. All right, despite last game, a few people will definitely be seeing a few people again. And as expected, we wanted some of the players to play full 90. We didn't get that, but that doesn't say the football continues. So let's get straight into the predicted start lineup. First of all, formation, I believe 4-2-3-1, because he wants to balance out the midfield with Kevin Stewart in there, not putting Kevin Stewart as a lone CDM in this one, you know, to lessen the work rate. So let's start with the goalkeeper. As you know, who will be in goal, I think most of us will already know, Andre Blake. And I think personally, I believe that he should definitely work on his foot movement, his footwork, passing of the ball, so that we can put across a better. He can also contribute to the build from the back. Then we're gonna have Javian Brown. Well, this system don't recognize Javian Brown. I don't know why. So what I'm going to use, people, I'm going to use Brian Brown for this one. I'll be using Brian Brown for this one, people. Just bear that in mind that it is Javian Brown, okay? Centre back pair, we're going to see Liam Moore over onto the right-hand side. Onto the left-hand side, Ethan Pinnock. Still going to be a back four, people. I know a lot of people are crying out for the back three. Greg Lay. Due to the intensity that we got from Greg Lay the last game, still haven't sure if Taxi fully recovered from that knock. He looked really, really fatigued when he came off as well. But definitely, this is where I'm going. In the midfield, we will see Kevin Stewart. Definitely good to see him back out on the pitch, so we're going to see what he has to offer. Right beside Kevin Stewart, where we will have the likes of Devon Speedy Williams. One of the things about Speedy Williams is I'm telling you, is very much highly rated by the manager, our coach, I should say, head coach. In the attacking midfield position, most people would want to see Ravel Morrison. I think might see the likes of Daniel Johnson. Either way, it could be Daniel Johnson alongside Kevin Stewart, but I think we're going to see the more creative aspect of it. So, in the event, because Kevin's we might see something like this. But Ravel, we might see something like this. We might see something like that. It can be something like that, but I think he will still go on with Devon Speedy Williams, even though Speedy Williams to the full 90. I think that he'll go to Speedy Williams. On the right hand side, someone with a bit more defensive, a better defensive mindset, Bobby Reed. Over onto the left hand side, I think Lamar Walker definitely gave himself the opportunity to be considered again. Now we're still going to see Mikel Antonio up front. We're still going to see Mikel Antonio up front. I highly doubt you'll be seeing the full 90 minutes from Mikel Antonio. I highly doubt you're going to see the full 90 minutes again from Mikel Antonio. He's being managed by the coach. So we have in goal Andre Blake, Javian Brown at right back, Liam Moore, Ethan Pinnock centre back pairing. We have Greg Lay at left back, Kevin Stewart and Ravel Morrison. Ravel Morrison as a box-to-box, Kevin Stewart as the all-in, Daniel Johnson as the creative aspect. Bob Reed as the attacking over onto the right-hand side, and we're going to have Lamar Walker on the left-hand side. Up front, leading line, Mikel Antonio. Coming off our Bob Reed, one might see Lamar Walker or Junior Flemings over onto the left-hand side. But personally, I think Bob Reed will be coming in for this one. Personally, I think so. So I think that is it. I definitely think that is it. I do believe that is it. Guys, go in the comment section. Go into the comment section. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think, people. Go into the comment section and tell me what you think. Go into the comment section, people. Tell me what you think about this starting lineup. And how do you think, out of 10, how would you rate it? In the meantime, whilst you're doing that, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. As you know, HBO, help a brother out, help a Jamaican brother out. You don't know anything already. Smash the like button, people, and show some support. If you do like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like the video, go inside of, you know what, let me enlarge the screen and say this one. If you do like the video, smash that like button. If you don't like the video, go into the comment section and tell me the reason why you don't like the video, and definitely I will work on that whatsoever in how to make better content. So people, thank you very much for tuning. Ensure that you guys are having a beautiful day at this point in time. This is going to be an uploaded video. I will be playing some football, trying to not lose. But anyways, people, thank you very much for tuning in. Massive respect. Enjoy your day, people. Happy Sunday, and have a good one, people. Stay safe, stay inside, and protect you and your family. Peace out, people.